Okay, we got a 2019 Ram 2500 turbo diesel. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So in this particular vehicle, at least when we haven't had too many incidents that the rims were stolen, because I believe the truck sits way high and they can't really take the rims and tires. Not that they can't, but it's not like your Honda Accord or your Chevy Tahoe. All these cars just sit nice and low that they can leave the brakes and take off the rims and tires. But they do break the window and they do go after the airbags or whatever you have inside the vehicle. These factory alarms come with remote start. They come with everything. The only thing that they don't come with any type of impact sensor. It only works if somebody opens your door. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window and I'll show you guys. Triggers the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and rearm it and then we'll try the other side. Yeah, and that's basically what they're stealing in these particular vehicles. Wait a few seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two windows here. Should be good to go here. Okay. And that's basically it. I'm going to show you guys as far as the remote start goes. Since the alarm was triggered multiple times, the car tells you that the remote start is disabled because the alarm went off a couple times, so they don't know if it's a thief or the owner of the vehicle or whatnot. They want you to start the car with the fob, okay? And then once the car starts, and then if you turn it off, the car knows that you're the owner of the vehicle. Therefore, and then you'll be able to remote start it. Okay. Now the car is running by remote control. You can get in and take off. Okay, shut it off, the same process. And that shuts it off. This concludes shock sensor installation on this 2019 Ram 2500 turbo diesel. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.